welcome back into the workshop for an absolutely brilliant, sarcasm dripping from my lips there. I have moved the unit that I've just made, one of 4, off of the workbench to allow me to make 2 of 4. So, yay. And I had the great wisdom just to slide it off onto another cabinet, which turns out to be identical in width. I mean, down to the last fraction of a millimetre. And I'm thinking, how can I make use of this combo? And the answer is, I can't. It was just a rather interesting comparison, you know. Anyway, you didn't need to know that. I am about to do the next lot of panels to put them together, and by having the 2 opposing shelves, this is a vertical one, having 2 opposing shelves, I decided in my infinite wisdom to go grab a length of dowel, a couple of lengths of dowel, and make my own pins. They're a little bit longer than normal. The dowels that I use are 40 millimetre, but these are 65 or so, and that means that they can go through and support 2 shelves. That makes it much stiffer, and it's quite surprising just how strong, with all the dowels and the screws, that unit is. I'm not saying that these make it stronger, but it does kind of lend a little bit of logic that it may do so. So anyway, one of the issues was putting the now freshly cut dowel, the ends, excuse me, through the holes, because sometimes they, it catches. So previously I'd just whittle a bit of the end off with the knife, and I thought, strangely, that 8 millimetre is roughly the size of a pencil. So out comes a pencil sharpener, which I just happened to have in one of the drawers, one of all the little bits and pieces there that, like, what do you use that for? Oh, I don't want to throw it out. Let's keep it anyway. That was the sort of logic. And out I come. I can put my, I can put my 8 millimetre dowel in there, give the thing a little bit of a turn, and I wind up chamfering off the end of the dowels so that it would better insert into the holes. More importantly, insert into those holes in the shelves, because once this is, anyway, so that's what we're doing. Yay. And it makes, that is the reason you don't throw stuff out, even if you don't have a current use for it. It's an excuse to not throw things out. Yay. So I'm pleased I didn't. It was one of those little tips. 8 millimetre dowels fit in the old pencil sharpener. So, yippee. Those little things in the workshop, that you hold on to for no particularly good reason, well, give it time and you'll find it. So that's what I've done there. So, yeah, Dave's tip for today is don't throw stuff out. And make sure that if you've got an old school type of pencil sharpener, or one like this, the rotary one, yes, keep that as well, because if you happen to be using 8 millimetre dowels, you'll be able to sharpen them. So the old sharpeners that we used to have with the wee angled blade on the side, and you just turn the pencil in the sharpener, they came in different types, some for bigger pencils. Wished I had kept those. Wonder whether I've got another one of those popped away somewhere. Anyway, 8 millimetre dowels is pretty much a standard dowel for joinery. Yay. So that was a very brief video to let you know, don't throw stuff out, and definitely keep your pencil sharpener. Okay, that's it. Better get some work done. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.